I'm Susan. Today we're participating in week 3 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something from a calendar, and I've got this month, an old sticky note, and this is all I could find, so I'm going to use that. Something associated with relaxation. I've got the family walking together, just chilling out. Something found at a farmer's market. We've got juicy watermelon, and that also came from a calendar. Receipt, and I just cut off this little QRC code from a Walmart receipt, and I'm going to use that. And the bonus is a game or puzzle piece, and I've got this vintage Kismet score sheet. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to get this down. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing all right. Can't complain too much. I do love to do Margarete Miller. I have got to go back and watch some of the people that are doing it. I'm just behind on my video watching. Okay, so I've got that as my background. Now let's see how I want to do this. I know I'm going to have to trim that, so I'm just going to pull it as far over to this side and then trim it off on this side. Or do I want to? I think I'm going to trim it off just a tad. Right there. And then I'll turn it off. Okay, because I want that there. And I have got my juicy watermelon. And I have got my calendar. And I think I'm just going to use that as some backing. Oops, sorry about that. I've gotten where I can't hold on to anything. It's very frustrating. All right, and I think I'm just going to kind of do something like that. And I think that is everything. So let me get this down. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP3 to see what everyone's doing this week. That's pretty. I believe this came from a Daphne's Diary. I love the images, but I hate that you can't like use them for your journals and such. All right, I'm just going to trim that off. So that's why I don't buy them very often. Okay. And now get this one right here. This is going to be a very, very quick video. Good grief, I can't get it to stay down. All right. I never did find my pen I lost yesterday. I'll probably find it in my foot, knowing me. That's the way things have been going for me here lately. Okay, I like that. Let's see what I can do to kind of embellish it. Let me see here. I think I have lost my Stabila all. I need to order some more. I know I had it the other day. And they just tend to disappear on me, even when I try to put them back. It's short, so it's probably stuck down in there somewhere. Let's see if this will work. I just want to kind of outline my people so that they can pop out more. I've been still reading the Grim Curiosities by Sharon Lynn Fisher, and it's been good. It's been a lot slower to get into than the previous book of hers that I read, the Tea and Alchemy, but it is starting to pick up now, and so I'm kind of anxious to read it. It's a little spooky. You got a little spooky, a little romance, sort of romance, hint at romance, I should say. It's not one of those that's right out in your face romance. At least Tea and Alchemy was like that. There was a little romance, but you could definitely say it was more of a mystery than a romance book. Okay, let's see. There we go. I think that helps just a tad. He's dark, and I don't think we'll need too much there. Okay. See if I have something I might add. I always have stickers and stuff, and I never use them as much as I should. Premium plums harvest. So that's something you can find at a farmer's market. I think I'm just going to put that over the top there. Let's see here. And we have sunflower. We could add that. Hate it shiny, but I do love the stickers. Let's see here. Is there anything else? See, we have a butterfly, but it's white. Will that matter? I don't think so, because I want the kismet to shine through. And we've got this little lemon sticker that we can use. And And I never know what to do with these dots, so I'm just gonna add them around. I think I'll just add that over here since it's close to that same color. All right. And I will, let's see what would I want to add. Gold splatters. I think I will. With a bronzier color. I can get it. I'm gonna have to add some more water to this. I'm just gonna and there we go. And a paper towel. All right, let's see, make sure we got everything. We've got something from a calendar, which is February. And actually that came from a calendar too. It was the back part that showed all 12 months together. We've got an old sticky note, something associated with relaxation. We got the family walking in the woods, or we've got, or going for a walk, I should say. I don't know that that's woods. Something found at a farmer's market. We've got watermelon. We've got sunflower. We've got lemon. A receipt. That's part of my receipt right there. And we've got bonus is a game or puzzle piece. And we've got that Kismet scoreboard there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP3 to see what everyone else has done. So, well, take care. And until next time, bye, y'all.